BMW has officially unveiled the full production version of its long-awaited F450 GS adventure bike, which will be available in 4 variants: Basic, Exclusive, Sport, and Trophy. This new model debuts BMW's 420cc parallel twin engine, developed in partnership with TVS India. Featuring an over-square 72mm bore and 51.6mm stroke, along with a 13:1 compression ratio, DOHC, and an 8-valve cylinder head, the compact motor delivers 48 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 43 Nm of torque at 6,750 RPM. Weighing in at just 178 kilograms ready to ride, the F450 GS is impressively light. This is achieved through a tubular steel frame and hollow aluminum swing arm, both designed for strength and agility. Suspension duties are handled by KYB components, including a preload and rebound adjustable rear mount shock and 43mm front forks. On the Sport and Trophy variants, the forks gain adjustable compression and rebound damping, enhancing versatility for different terrains. With a 1,465mm wheelbase and 180mm of suspension travel at both ends, the bike promises a balance of stability and nimbleness. The wheel setup, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, comes in cast alloy as standard, with spoked options available for more serious off-road riders. These proportions give the F450 GS genuine, if moderate, off-road capability. One of the standout innovations is the optional Easy Ride clutch system, which comes standard on the Trophy version. This centrifugal clutch automatically disengages at idle and re-engages with throttle input, making low-speed control effortless. It pairs with BMW's Shift Assistant Pro Quickshifter, standard on all except the basic model, allowing clutchless upshifts and downshifts for a smoother, more intuitive ride. Braking and safety technology are up to BMW's usual high standards. The F450 GS features cornering ABS with Brembo front and Vibri rear calipers, supported by dynamic brake control, dynamic traction control, and engine braking management. Riders can select between rain, road, and Enduro riding modes, with Enduro Pro, which is available on models from the Exclusive and upwards, disables rear ABS. The cockpit is centered around a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display, offering smartphone connectivity for calls, music, and navigation. Fuel efficiency is claimed at 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers from a 14-liter tank, giving the bike impressive range for long adventures. Comfort and ergonomics are also customizable, with the standard 845mm seat height, adjustable down to 830mm or up to 865mm. BMW's extensive accessories catalog includes luggage systems, crash protection, and various windscreen options, allowing riders to tailor the F450 GS to their needs. Lightweight, well-equipped, and designed to sit squarely in the middleweight adventure segment, the new BMW F450 GS looks set to be a major player for both new and experienced riders alike.